Hello everyone, for this video we're going to cook fried rice. Okay, so let's go to the ingredients. So our ingredients in our fried rice is we are going to need corn. You can also use yellow corn, long bean, sitaw in Tagalog, carrots, prawn. You can also use small shrimp, onions, spring onion, 2 eggs. You also use light soya sauce for taste, and the most important is the pre-cooked rice. So let's go cooking now. Let's cook our fried rice. So we need to reheat our pot or wok. Then when it's already heated, we put our oil. Just a little bit. And then next we need to put our prawn. We also put our corn now. Corn, long bean, and carrots. Put all together. Then mix them. We also now add our light soy sauce for the taste. Depends how much you put on your prepared paste. And then stir. And then cover and simmer it for about 5 minutes in a low fire. So after 5 minutes, we now open our pot. So as you can see, the veggies are cooked already and still got a little bit. So this one is okay. You can use that one because we will need that one to make the rice separate later. And it's already cooked. Then we now put it. We now set aside this, and we are going to fry the egg. Now we are going to fry the onions and the egg. We need to put some oil, cooking oil. Fry the egg. We can add first the onion. Cook it until fragrant. O bumango na yung sibuyas natin. Now we can add the 2 eggs. Then we need to mix it. Stir it. We need to separate the egg. scrambled eggs, separated. So that when we mix to the rice, it's all goes separated. Sorry sa English ko guys, English Carabao. And then now we are going to put our pre-cooked rice. Pre-cooked rice. And then we also put our veggies. And now we are going to mix all together. We put the fire to slow fire, so it will not going to burn. Para hindi siya masunog sa ilalim. Let's separate this whole rice like this. Make sure that all the rice are separated to each other. Ayan, nahalo na natin. It's already mixed all together. And now we're going to put our spring onion. And then, let's cover it and simmer about 1 to 2 minutes. So after 2 minutes, we are now going to open it and stir. It's already cooked, guys. So easy to cook the fried rice because we cook already the rice. So this is our finished products of our fried rice. I hope you enjoy our video for today. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye!